The following is for 2008 Math 115 Department Final version 3. In this video, I will do number 38, 39, and number 40. Number 38, solve using quadratic formula. The A is 3, the B is 6, and the C is -4. Now the quadratic formula is given by x12 is equals to -b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac big over 2a. Now you have to memorize this formula. If you have any formula you need to memorize, this is the one. Okay, now then what I will do next is to plug the number in. Okay, -b is -6 plus minus square root of b squared, that's 6 squared minus 4ac. Now take a look on the way I plug in my c, over 2 times 3. It will be -6 plus minus square root of 36 plus what's that, 12 times 4 is 48. And notice that the minus there becomes positive because of negative times negative, right? Over 6. 12 equals to -6 plus minus square root of 84 over 6. Now from here I will need to simplify. 84 is a multiple of is it multiple? Of course it's multiple of 4. Is it multiple of 16? No, it's not multiple of 16. Yeah, it's multiple of 4 only. So I will write it this way: -6 plus minus square root of 4 times 21 over 6, which becomes -6 plus minus 2 square root of 21 over 6. Okay, now we are not done yet, because if you can factorize, we can see that we have common factor 2 on the top, right? 2 -3 plus minus square root of 21 big over 6, which if I cross cancel, I simplify, I will get 1 here, 3 here. In other words, the answer will be -3 plus minus square root of 21 over 3. Now which one will that be? With the negative, right? The negative plus minus, yeah, this is part A. The answer is part A. A lot of arithmetic here, if you can skip some steps, may be useful, but at the same time do not compromise your detail. Okay, you need to be careful. Now you don't want to skip steps and becomes careless. Okay, number 39, graph this y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Now usually this question show up in pretty much the last part of chapter 11. Now, and there's a big chance that your teacher don't go this far, but there are some stuff we still can tell. For example, the very first one, easiest one, is can you find out what is the y-intercept of this, the graph of that? The y-intercept is obtained by setting x equals to 0, right? When x equals 0, what is y? Y is 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 4. Okay, so y equals to 0 minus 0 plus 4, which is 4. Therefore the y-intercept is 0,4. Okay, 0,4. This is the y-intercept here. Now how about the x-intercept? The x-intercept will be by setting the y equals to 0, right? If I set the y equals to 0, 0 equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4. And then from there we solve for x. Of course, one thing we can do is to factorize, right? This would be x minus 2 times x minus 2, which implies x minus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. Well, they're the same, so we'll see that the x-intercept is 2, 0. Okay, the x-intercept is 2, 0. Now from here, we grab more coordinates. Let's say, for example, let's find out what happened when x equals to 1, when x equals to 3, when x equals to 4, and so on. Okay, yeah, at least we can tell between x equals 0 and x equals 2 there must be something in between, right? Let's see, when x equals to 1, what will the y be? Y equals to 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 4. Y equals to 1 minus 4 plus 4, that is 1. So the coordinate associated to this is 1, 1. Okay, we have this one, 1, 1 here. And then let's see, let's try when x equals to 3. And x equals to 3, what would that be? Y equals to 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 4. That's 9 minus 12 plus 4. That's also 1, which implies the coordinate associated to that is 3, 1. Okay, now seems like we have some pattern now. We will expect that when x equals to 4, you can check when x equals to 4 what happened to the y. Okay, when x equals 4, what happened to the y? You will see that the y is equals to 4. 16 minus 16 plus 4. So the coordinate is 4, 4. Okay. Now, if you took this section, you learned this section before, then you will see that this is actually a parabola. And the vertex happens to be the x-intercept in this case. Okay, yeah, my drawing is not perfect, but that gives you the idea of what you will get. Now, this question is supposed to be a multiple choice question, so in the actual test you will see what you have the choices of the graph. Now, how do we decide? First thing you can check is what is the y-intercept, okay? And then from there you see what is the x-intercept, or maybe what are the x-intercepts. Usually with these two qualities you already get the graph, but if you need more, just plot more points. Okay, just grab more points and then you will get it. That's for number 39. Number 40. One solar heating panel can raise the temperature of water 1 degree in 30 minutes. A second solar heating panel can raise the temperature in 1 degree in 45 minutes. How long will it take to raise the temperature of water 1 degree with both solar panels operating? Now let's do it in 4 steps. And the first one, let t be the time it takes both solar panel operating to raise the temperature of water 1 degree. Okay, now second, now the first heating panel, if it works for t minutes, then it will increase the water. So we have 2 solar panels. The first one, if it works for t minutes, it will increase the water by t over 30 degree. Okay, see, when the t is 30, then it increased by 1 degree, right? Now, but this is increased also by the second solar panel, which also work for t minutes, right? In t minutes, the second solar panel will increase the water, the temperature of the water, by t over 45. Okay, and that's equals to 1. Now let's think about this formula again. This formula basically tells us that if you remember, these 30 and 45 here are the number of minutes the heating panel 1 and the second heating panel needs to the amount of time they need to increase the temperature by 1 degree if each one of them working by itself. Now when they work together, then the rate of they increasing the temperature of the water will be adding up, right? Will add up. Okay, that's how we end up with this equals to 1. Now then, to solve this, I will multiply by I will always use LCD method. The LCD of 30 and 45 is 90. Okay, so 90 divided by 30 is 3 times t is 3t plus 90 divided by 45 is 2 plus times t is 2t equals to 1 times 90 is 90. So 5t equals to 90 and t will equals to I hope you can see that's 90 over 5, which is 18. Okay, that's 18. Now then we will see that it takes they need how long? 18 minutes to raise 1 degree. Okay, now this is for fall 2008 Math 115 Department Final version 3, number 38, number 39 and number 40. This is the last part of this department final review. I wish you good luck, pass the class and be successful in the next class coming.